Everybody is talking about the economy and finding places that have a low cost of living. And people always start talking about Oklahoma City. But I want to explain to you what living in Oklahoma City is really like. That's why I've broken down the good, the bad, the ugly into multiple parts just for you. Whether you are local or relocating from out of state or PCSing at Tinker Air Force Base like me and my family did, I know it is not easy, especially if you have children like we do. My name is Zach Welton, your Oklahoma City real estate agent, but I'm much more than that. I'm also a father, a husband, a veteran, and someone who's relocated to the great state of Oklahoma himself. So I know firsthand how stressful the process can be at times. And before we begin, I just want to say, if you're returning to my channel, welcome back and thank you very much. And if you're new to my channel, again, my name is Zach Welton, your Oklahoma City real estate agent. I enjoy putting out videos and content and just being a resource for any of you looking for information or help making critical decisions here in the Oklahoma City marketplace. So please like, subscribe to my channels. This is gonna motivate me to continually put out this great content for you each and every week. And whether you're moving in 9 days or 90 days, reach out to me. Give me a call, send me a text, heck, send me an email, or better yet, get a link to my Calendly account and we can set up a Zoom meeting. That'd be the best option. So I can help you make a smooth move to Oklahoma City. My contact details are in the description below. Now, let's jump right into the good, the bad, the ugly of Oklahoma City. Let's start off with one of the biggest pros of living in Oklahoma City, affordability. The cost of living and housing affordability in Oklahoma City is crazy and is a major draw for people by offering a great quality of life without having to break the bank here. Now, what does this mean for you? This means more money in your pockets, which means that you can enjoy a lot of the great activities here in Oklahoma City, like exploring the city's amazing attractions, dining out, or going to the zoo or traveling out of the state. Speaking of affordability, Oklahoma City has a robust local economy and a thriving job market. The city here boasts a diverse range of industry, from aerospace to biotechnical to shipping companies, providing plenty of job opportunities for anyone here in Oklahoma City. So not only will you find affordable housing here in Oklahoma City, but you're also going to find plenty of job opportunities for anyone in any walk of life. Now let's talk about the weather. If you're a fan of all 4 seasons here in Oklahoma City, it's got you covered. From the blooming flowers in the spring to the colorful foliage in the fall, Oklahoma City has you covered for every season, including the cold winter months where you get to warm up and be cozy on the couch, to the bright, sunny, warm days of summer where everyone stays outside till about 9 o'clock at night because the sun just never seems to go down here. But do keep in mind that you will need to adapt your wardrobe to suit the ever-changing seasons here in Oklahoma City. However, that being said, weather does have some downsides here in Oklahoma City. Oklahoma City is known for its unpredictable weather patterns, tornadoes, and hail. Don't let that scare you though. With proper preparation, a sturdy roof, a storm shelter, you will be well prepared for the crazy and sometimes unpredictable weather here in Oklahoma City, and it won't be a problem. Oklahoma City is a haven for nature lovers, with its beautiful parks, wildlife, and outdoor areas. Oklahoma City offers numerous green spaces to include the Myriad Botanical Gardens and the Martin Park Nature Center. So whether you're into hiking, picnicking, or bird watching, there is something for anyone to do here in Oklahoma City. What about geography? Oklahoma City has the unique advantage of being centrally located in the United States. This makes traveling to other parts of the country a breeze, primarily if you're going to Kansas City up north or Dallas down south. There are about 3 hours of driving, way faster if you fly. It's also great for businesses that rely on nationwide distribution, as this is the central place in the United States for highways. Plus, road trips become way easier and simpler, especially if you have a family, for doing weekend getaways or a week-long excursion and then coming back to your home base. Now, on the flip side of that, OKC's landscape can be a bit of a drawback for some. Predominantly, the flat landscape here might be less appealing to those who are coming from areas that have a beach or a wide mountain range, like the Rockies, for instance. Don't worry though, there's still plenty of natural attractions nearby for you to explore and for you to enjoy, like the Wichita Mountains Wildlife Refuge and Turner's Fall Park. Now, what about those closer maybe to Oklahoma City? Well, Lake Hefner is one of Oklahoma City's crown jewels, offering breathtaking sunsets and sunrises that are truly spectacular and are a must-see. The lake is also a hub for outdoor activities, such as sailing, fishing, and golfing. Or you can enjoy a leisurely walk or bike ride along the 3.5-mile trail that circles the lake. Or simply just relax and enjoy the stunning views like so many people do. I know I've done it. And I would be remiss if I didn't say that the people of Oklahoma City are known for being super friendly and having warm hospitality. The city has a very strong sense of community with a lot of local events and attractions and festivals to keep everybody in the community engaged and just foster this unique environment where everyone is just so nice to each other. To top it all off, to make it easier for people to come here, the city has a fantastic airport, the Will Rogers Airport, which is a breeze getting into and a breeze getting out. As the city gets more popular, that wait line might stretch to be longer. But for now, it's not an issue. Speaking of people coming here, Oklahoma City draws a lot of people here for its thriving cultural scene, with world-class museums and art galleries and a wide range of events throughout the year. From the Oklahoma City Museum of Art to the Paseo Art, there is always something happening here in Oklahoma City. The city's rich history is evident in its architecture, with a mix of modern and classical homes and architecture, creating a unique urban landscape that is second to none. And personally, I would be very mad at myself if I forgot to mention the food scene here in Oklahoma City. It is growing rapidly, and I mean super fast. There are new places opening all the time, and they're all amazing. They offer a diverse selection of restaurants, cafes, food trucks, or just roadside food stops. They're all amazing. From mouth-watering barbecue to farm-to-table style places, there's something for everybody here. Maybe you're into fine dining. That's a huge growing trend in industry here on the food scene, and it's something everyone should take the time to experience. Your taste buds are not going to get bored here in Oklahoma City, is in short what I'm trying to tell you. At least from my own personal experience, that's been the case. The city is also home to a number of craft breweries and local wineries, perfect for those who are adventurous and want to explore the new flavors of their new city. Now, we've said a lot of the pros, some of the cons, but let's address some of those other cons that people might be curious about. One of the things you're going to notice about living here in Oklahoma City is the constant construction and potholes. The city is growing rapidly, drawing numerous people here every single year, so it only makes sense that you're going to have to expand. Otherwise, we'll be living on top of each other like New York City and heck, like parts of Dallas. And here in Oklahoma City, we don't want that. We like our space. Everyone's got a little bit of, their own sanctuary, if you will, and everyone's just much happier that way. So the city is always working to improve its infrastructure and roads. Just make sure to expect some detours and delays from time to time while you're going to and from work or exploring the many attractions here. It is worth noting though that some residents here in Oklahoma will experience higher health insurance costs. This of course varies depending on individual circumstances, but it is something to keep an eye out for and maybe plan or budget for. So make sure that you research the local healthcare provider that you're going to want to use and the insurance options to ensure that you are making the best choice for you and your family if that is the case. And lastly, for sports enthusiasts, Oklahoma City has a lot to offer us. The city is home to Oklahoma City's Thunder. It is also home to Oklahoma City Dodgers at Bricktown at the Chickasaw Ballpark, or the USL's Energy FC. And if you're into college sports, the University of Oklahoma is just a short drive down south to Norman, or Oklahoma State University, the Cowboys are up north, or also the Women's World Series for softball is held here in Oklahoma City. So there's no shortage of events to keep you entertained year round. Make sure to watch this video next, as it's going to save you a lot of time and regret about living in Oklahoma City. Thanks for watching.